Hello everyone, my name is Mahmoud Khalifa and this is my template. So I would like to share this template with the Angular community. So let's check the feature exist in this template. Here we are in the home. As you can see, we have the side menu and the header and the footer with this animated icon. Okay, so the side menu, we can expand and collapse the side menu item. And we also have the localization already built in this template. So as you can see, the text change based on the direction. And we also support multiple theme. So if we change this theme to the dark mode, you will see schematic. So let's go back to the light. And we have this drop down for the user profile and logout. Okay, let's check this amazing feature. So right now we are in the local host 4200. In this model federation, this is another app based on maybe another domain. So let's see how this will behave. If we click on the remote app, as you can see, this content coming from another domain. So if we open another tab called localhost, click, as you can see, this content coming from another domain. This is why I call this tab Dynamic Model Federation. And I already provided this template with some amazing feature. Okay, let's start from the lookups. This is a demo for like any dashboard will contain a lookup management. So I added data grids that will be linked to a backend template later on. As you can see, you can add, you will find this model, and this model have like some cool behavior because you can collapse this model as Windows tab and expand it. Okay, so also when you read the code for this form, uh, it is a very unique reactive form because it is scalable. And you will find this form also have a custom input component that just you need to pass the form control and it work like magic. So let's hit test. As you can see, the validation enabled the button, but we don't need to add another row. Okay, and you can also export the data from the data grid. Okay, this data grid is very simple to work with. It's called NGX Easy Table. It will later on I will add server-side pagination and sorting for this table. So when we go to the layout, we have the stepper. If you want to have step content form, and here is another one, but you need to hit a condition, okay, and so on. And you have this design as well. We have the list component, we have the tab, okay. You will find multiple example, so I think this will fit your needs. Okay, when we go to the maps, we have multiple type of maps. Here's the one for Google Map, leave left, and bubble search. And I just added like 2 hours ago. I added the chart. I added two type of chart. Each chart, of course, is very elegant. You have multiple example, and I also added the D3 chart, and I make sure that every single package is up to date because this Angular was built was using the Angular 16 version. In extra component, you will find the calendar, progress bar, spinner, alert, calendar kit. You have this amazing chat, and I already added the logic to work with it. It will act as a chat boot, and you maybe also use it if you have like chat between the internal and external client. So if I write hi, let me translate this to English. Okay, this is the cool chat boot, and you will see the file uploader, and it will enable drag and dropping. And the model dialog, you will see more of this dialog with the hero button. As you can see, this is the hero button. You'll find this one with the 4. You will see here another window tab. And here is the toaster service that will generate a random toast notification. Pop over. Let me remove these notification. So the final component is the tooltip. The final component is the tooltip. You will find more example here. So that's it for the template. I will add additional feature later on. I will link it with backend using .NET 8. I will add the authentication using the keycloak authentication identity management. So I hope you like it. Hit star on the repo and see you again.